Angeke u-confuse abalandeli bebhola njengoDuba. UDuba uzongena ngelinye ilanga akudlalele kahle noma akushayele 2 goals, ashiye amadoda alwe umbone ukuthi uDuba usempini e-serious. Ngelinye ilanga uDuba bamfake njengale game le yayizolo bafethu, bayamfaka uDuba ngathi umuntu ongakaze adlale ibhola. Like ibhola lisey'nyaweni kuye uvele uliluza simple. Sokumele manje agijime ashaye i-good tackle, aliwine back lelo bhola, aphase phambili. Aphinde akudlale avele agudluze ama-player out of the blue, shaye ama-tackles ama-players ayi-2 phansi. Uzibuze ukuthi okay, la sibhekane ne-football player noma sibhekane nani? But-ke akubuyele kwenye igame akushayele 2 goals uDuba. Then sikhulume sithi hawu uDuba ubuyile. Into engiyithandayo mina ezonkuli ukuthi uDuba uyi-warrior, uyi-player elilwayo. But siyohlezi sikujaja game by game, moments by moments. And then-ke ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi isizini yakho sibheke ukuthi okay, isizini yakho uphefome kanjani, udilive kanjani for i-team. But what an embarrassing performance from yena umfethu. Well, i-supply akayitholanga. Mina what I hate about watching i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi iy'trayikha zakhona zina-supply kumele ziyilandele ibhola. Even so i-Ighodaro naye eyilandela ibhola, kumele alilande ali-trap, abadlalise and then abuyele nkosi yami close to the box. Ubone nawe ukuthi hayi bo, what is happening ngempela lana? What is the whole plan ngama-players nokusaplaya kwey'trayikha laphana phambili? But yeah, ngibonile nje mabafaka uDuba ngathi ayikho-ke le nto le. uBatman bekayinika i-Kaizer Chiefs i-hope because bekalwela laphana ashaye ama-10 ngisho ukuthi bekazama nkosi yami, uyambona ukuthi uyazama lo mjida lo. But as for laba abanye-ke abangenile laphana late, ayi kube nzima kakhulu bafethu ukuthi ba-create ama-opportunities, bashaye babe direct. But asivale ngeplay elithola i-man of the match laphana le-Richards Bay, lithe i-blessing for yena ukuthi akore against i-team enkulu efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi kufana nokuthi uthi bakhule vele basapota wona lama-teams lawa, so ukudlala against i-Kaizer Chiefs I guess into enkulu for yena laphana umfowethu. Uye naye lo bengiloke ngisho kwenye i-clip ngathi ushilo naye ukuthi bebazi ukuthi bazowathola ama-mistake from i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs even no-goalkeeper, ingakho baphanishile noma ngithi bakwazile ukuyiphanisha laphana i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-team ekumele i-improve serious bafethu, hhayi indaba yokudlala. uDuba mina bayangimangaza, hhayi. But akusiyo uDuba kuphela bafethu, maningi ama-player asazonikwa ama-opportunities. You cannot say uyi-team elwela i-Betway Premiership or i-Championship noma or i-cup, yabo. I-cup kuyenzeka ushayisane nalo clean, but i-playoff iba promising. Ithi noma uluza bafethu kubonakala ukuthi okay, i-Kaizer Chiefs iyaluza but i-play yabo beyi-right, it's just that they were unlucky. No, bona mfethu baliphethe ibhola abaziniksi. Ngilalele la i-commentators ithi at some point kumele baye phambili laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, baphase ibhola phambili. Hayi 90 something minutes but still ibhola abanaplan, like abanaplan. Angazi ukuthi bafuna balinde umlingo noma kwenzakalani, they don't have a plan. But I guess it's important that they are able to create lawo ma-chances lawo and to bury those few chances that they get. So that's a positive from bona, maybe bangabhilda kuleyo nto leyo. But the unfortunate part for uDaCruz bafethu, akusiyo i-team le yokubhildwa. Le i-team baba o-deliver ama-results immediately. Sibafisela inhlanhla if izobavakashela, but siyabafisela yona inhlanhla bafethu ukuthi bakwazi ukulungisa, because le team lena kubalulekile ukuthi iwine ngoba kujabula abantu abaningi kakhulu. But not just ukuthi iwine nje kuphela, wonke umuntu wenza imali i-Kaizer Chiefs uma iwina, ukuthi ngeke banitshele abantu be-content. But i-Kaizer Chiefs uma ingawini kunzima. Cela uzibambe lana kwamanje bafethu, ngithi danko.